We fell out of love like shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hello you guys, I'm the Diva and I am back with another haul. You guys, this is going to be a overhaul of skincare, and the reason that I decided to just jump in feet first and just revamp my whole skincare process was because of a YouTuber by the name of Yara. You guys, if you do not know about her and you are into skincare, then you must go over and check out her videos. I'm gonna link her below. She has way more subscribers than I do, so she don't need my help, but I want to help you guys. The one thing that I am getting rid of as far as skincare is concerned is my coconut oil. You guys, oh Jesus, let's have a moment of silence for the coconut oil. You guys, I cannot believe that I have gotten rid of coconut oil. Not necessarily gotten rid of it altogether. I've gotten rid of it as far as my face and taking off my makeup. Now, as far as moisturizing my body, I still will be moisturizing my body with coconut oil because I believe it seeps into my skin, and also I also use Josie Marin Argan body butters. I use those every night as well, so I use the two of those to get my moisturizer in, and then I lock it with the butters. She said that it is pore clogging, and she just said that you just shouldn't use it. And so I am going to stop using it for my face, although I didn't notice any breakouts or anything like that, but it could have just been God and him keeping the breakouts from me. So I'm just gonna go ahead, take heed in the word, and stop using it. Since Susan is making me give up my coconut oil for removing my makeup, I needed something in its place, and she suggested a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil. She said that her favorite cleansing balm was the Elemis Pro Collagen cleansing balm, and I decided to go on to QVC because I know Elemis is sold there, and I wanted to see if they had any specials or anything of that nature. So I went, and they did have a special. They had the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Kit with a Lori Goldstein bag, and the bag looks like this. The bag is actually pretty cute. The set altogether costs $74. With the set, I get the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm, and I get the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. She talks about the original version, and this is the rose scented version. I don't know if the rose in it has anything other than for a scent value. Here's what the cream looks like. You just scoop out a good amount. You put it in your hand, start putting it on your face, and just loosening up all of that makeup. And once you're done, you can do one of two things. You can get you can use this cloth right here that comes with it, and you guys, this seems like just a regular terry cloth, like from right out your bathroom. Doesn't look like anything special or anything like that. Yeah, so you can either get this wet and then just start cleaning off your face, or you can get your hands wet just a little bit, put it onto your face, and let it become like this milkiness, and then you wash that away, and your face will not be oily or greasy or anything like that, and you'll be ready for your next step, which usually is using a toner of some sort. It came with the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I have not used this item yet, and it is very thick. This is gonna be good, you guys, because this is so thick. This is how thick this is, and it feels thick. This is a night cream for me. Yeah. And if you don't like fragrance, you might not like this, but it smells like a spa. So those 3 items came for $74. I got the Elemis Rehydrating Ginseng Toner. It comes with a spray bottle. You can either spray this on your face or you can spray it on a cotton pad. What I end up doing is spraying some on a cotton pad, and I also spray it on my face, and then I wipe the cotton pad to get rid of the whatever makeup is left on my face that didn't come off from the cleansing balm, and then the facial cleanser for the night. So I do double cleanse. Even when I was using my coconut oil, I would double cleanse. So I'm still double cleansing. It's just costing me a lot more. Okay, so yeah, and usually the only makeup that's left on me is around my hairline, because I always have makeup in my hairline, always. This item right here cost me $36, and I think I'm gonna keep this. I'm not certain. I actually do like it, although it does kind of sting around my lips at night when I'm doing it. So I don't know what that means or why it does that, but it does. But other than that, I do love it. The next thing I got was 2 of these right here. And this is the Nourishing Omega Rich Cleansing Oil. And I know you're probably like, girl, you got the cleansing balm. Why do you need the cleansing oil? Good question. So here is what it actually looks like. And as you can see, I have used a little bit of it. This has a pump action to it. You would start massaging your face to loosen up all of that makeup. Then you would rinse and do everything like you would with the cleansing balm. I really like this, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. You will understand because I do have a couple of more cleansers and at least 1 more cleansing oil. All right, so the 2 of these are $49 on QVC right now, and you guys, that is a huge deal. And the main reason why I went ahead and got this one was because these are $49 each, and even on the QVC website they have 1 for $49, or you can get this deal right here, which is 2 for $49. I couldn't pass it up, and I felt like I needed to just go ahead and get it just in case I did need it, and I would have an extra one for free. The lone tatcha product that I have, this right here is the Tatcha Super Size Pure Camellia Cleansing Oil, and this costs $69. And the reason I got this because I didn't know if I was going to love the Elemis one or if I was gonna love this one, and I wanted to try them both just to see if I wanted to keep one or the other or both. The reason I have so much cleansing oil is because Susan Yara also said that you can use a cleansing oil to cleanse your face in the morning, just to get the grime from the night before off. And also it is another form of hydration to your skin. I really wanted to get more into tatcha as well, so this is my first tatcha product. Okay, this is a set of 3 items. It is the Elemis 24/7 3-piece peptide for day and night auto delivery plan, and I got this whole set right here for $59. You guys will not believe the deal that this is. It is crazy. But let me go ahead and tell you what comes in this set. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to talk about is the gentle foaming facial wash, and this is what I will be using day and night as my second cleanse, unless I can find another one that I may like more, or I want to use the I wanted to buy the Tatcha deep cleansing one as well, and I wanted to wait until to see if they were going to have that in some kind of a deal or whatnot, but it's only like $30-some, so I might go ahead and buy it. Then if they do have it in a deal, I can just cancel that one and then keep the deal one. But anyways, this is the Elemis Gentle Foaming Face Wash. And you guys, I'm so excited about this. But yeah, it's very thick and creamy, so I'm gonna love that. And I also got the Peptide Night Recovery Cream Oil. I'm assuming it's a creamy oil, an oil whipped into a cream. It seeps into the skin really very well. It mixes with the other cream that I had on my hand very well also. And it smells, they all kind of smell the same. So I really like this one, so I'll use this at night. And then they have the Elemis Peptide 4 Adaptive Day Cream. It's really thick. I don't even know if you guys can see that. But for a day cream, usually I thought day creams were, you know, very light or whatnot. And wow, you guys, wow. Okay, I see why it's a day cream, because this went on my skin so smoothly and it seeped right in. This has the feel of Cool Whip. You know how Cool Whip is so thick, but then it's whipped and it's light. That's what this felt like. As soon as I started rubbing it into my skin, it was like it was not there anymore, but it's thick. I don't know. I don't know. Those are the items that I bought. I still need an essence, and I still need a good vitamin C. Not that the one that I have isn't good, but I had my eye on a couple of vitamin C serums that I want to get. I really want the essence from Tatcha. I really want that one, but I really want them to put it in another gift set, because I keep missing the gift set. But or the special value or whatever they're calling it. Alright, you guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and if this is your first time watching one of my videos, then welcome. I hope you enjoyed yourself. If so, click the subscribe button and also click the like button. And until next time, you guys, bye.